right, so the how we started a 3D printing business should, well, it should actually be why we started a 3D printing business. We already own a company. It's a dumpster rental company, and we decided to do our own marketing and branding. So we branded our dumpsters with a Cricut, with vinyl, got into laser engraving, started doing our own hats for the company, and we decided that probably the next logical step was going to be 3D printing. So what have we done with the 3D printer for marketing materials for our own business? Well, we've done fridge magnets, keychains shaped like a dumpster, business card holders shaped like a dumpster, desk organizers shaped, once again, like a dumpster. So I got on some of the Facebook groups and started kind of pitching our products, our business card holders, our keychains and that stuff, and we had a lot of people reach back out to us, very interested in what we could do to customize products for their own business. So we got into, our biggest order so far has been dumpsters for business cards. We had one company order 100 of these. They're going to use them for home shows, give them out during home shows and stuff like that. So we really kind of sat back. We said, wow, you know, that's pretty popular. So what else can we do? Well, we ended up getting into, for the shop, I make these 3D printed French cleat brackets that I put a piece of walnut on. I'll put a picture here to show you that. We've done the dumpster stuff. We do hats and all that. So we really get into small batch marketing products for other companies, and that has blown up our 3D printing business. So we started off with a P1P without an AMS, and that quickly, you know, so we were only doing one color, and that quickly turned into us buying a P1S, Bambu Labs, with an AMS system on it, because we wanted to test the products in multicolor. We liked that so much, and our customers liked it. Once we got that big order for the 100 little dumpster business card holders, we ended up buying another P1S Bambu Labs with an AMS, and we put an AMS on our P1P. So now we have 3 Bambu Labs printers with AMSs on them. All 3 can do multiple color. So really for us, it was expanding kind of what we were already doing for our own business, which was small batch marketing products, hats, keychains, bottle openers, all the normal stuff you see, marketing kind of stuff that people have. And we've also done some craft fairs with it, and all of that has worked out great. So moving forward, we're doing 2 things. We're doing small batch marketing products. That's our corner of the market. And then we're also doing some stuff that everybody else does with a little bit of flair. So like my wife makes these little pillow bedside organizers. Put your rings, your watches in there for when you go to bed. She has a friend of hers that makes that sells soap, little bars of soap, and we make a holder for that bar of soap that goes right in the shower. Top comes out so you can clean it and all of that. So really that's the how and the why we got into 3D printing. So I think I'm going to be doing some more videos on the types of products we're 3D printing, how we're marketing those. We don't use Etsy, we use Shopify. So I'll be putting together some videos on how we use Shopify, how we market those different products and get people to our website, as well as I really want to do some good reviews. We don't have a ton of hours on any of our printers yet. The 100 dumpsters that we did, that took us about 8 days. So that probably has the most time on it. We did it with these 2 printers, saved our other one for some other projects that we had going on. So that's what we're doing with your 3D printers. It's not really a print farm. It's kind of like a print garden, I've heard. People use that term before. So that's kind of what we're doing. Hopefully we're going to double in size really quick. We'll have 6 printers hopefully pretty soon and be able to really make some money on these. I would say probably we've made enough money on these to pay off 2 of them. Getting ready to pay off the 3rd one. So, or they pay for themselves anyway. So that's it in a nutshell. That's how and why we started a 3D printing business. So expect some more videos on 3D printing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.